Good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am planning to start Polity lectures. This is just an introduction class. Here I am planning to define what is constitution. So let us begin our class. Let me read this definition first. Constitution is the fundamental and organic law of the nation that establishes the conception, character and organization of the government, as well as it determines the extent of powers of the government and the manner power are to be used. From the above definition, let me tell you what is fundamental meaning. Fundamental meaning first and basic law. That means every law comes after and because of the constitution. Which means that, let me give you some recent examples like Citizenship Amendment Act or Farm Bill. Let it be anything. Every law comes after and because of the constitution. And then comes the word organic. Organic means there is an element of life. Indian constitution is a living document. It has growth, presence of change, adjust, adapt and grow with time. Which means that Indian constitution is not stagnant. It can develop and evolve according to the needs of time. There is an element of life. Hence, Indian constitution is not a dead document. And then comes the meaning conception. It means to conceive or putting an idea or developing or laying a foundation. Which means that it gives an idea about when the Indian constitution were conceived or developed. And then comes the character, which means the nature of the constitution. Is Indian constitution democratic, parliamentary, etc. Such things are mentioned in the constitution. And organization means design or structure of the government. That is whether the government is presidential or parliamentary, etc. In short, constitution is the rule book of the country and constitution is the supreme law of the land, and all other law and custom, in order to be valid, shall conform to the constitution. Here you have to understand one thing. All custom to be valid, it shall also be conformed with the constitution. Otherwise, all the customs which are inconsistent with the constitutions are invalid in India. These are the previous year questions UPSC asked in mains and prelims. Let me read this one. A constitutional government by definition. Answer is limited government. And second question, constitutional government means a representative government of the nation with federal structure, a government whose head enjoys nominal powers, a government whose head enjoys real powers, a government limited by the terms of the constitution. Answer is D, a government limited by the terms of the constitution. And next one is, which one of the following statement best reflect the chief purpose of the constitution of a country? It determines the objective for the making of necessary laws. It enables the creation of political office and a government. It defines and limits the power of the government. It secures social justice, social equality and social security. Answer is C. It defines and limits the power of the government. Then these are one of the main questions, that is the Constitution of India is a living instrument with capabilities of enormous dynamism. It is a constitution made for a progressive society. Illustrate with special reference to expanding horizon of the right to life and personal liberty. Here you have to show the evidences of life in Indian constitution. That is about the amendment of constitution, especially regarding to right to life and personal liberty. You have to link current affairs here, like right to pollution free environment, etc., and then you have to write the answer. So I hope this helps you. Thank you.